Welcome to Season 2 of Why We Worship. Today we're going to speak about symbolism in the Mass. We all want to know the meaning behind things, the reason people say things, what they do, the way they act. It's the way our human nature is wired. Sometimes, though, things are indirectly meaningful. These are called symbols. We can think of a symbol as something that points beyond itself to a bigger reality. And what's more, that bigger reality is somehow present in the thing symbolized, which makes it rank higher than ordinary stuff. Take, for example, a wedding ring. We probably don't think that a couple on the day of their wedding would see their ring as one more present, like a new pair of shoes. On the contrary, from the moment they're married, the bride and groom wear their ring all the time because it symbolizes the unbreakable covenant of love between each other. That's why that ring is particularly treasured. Another example would be the American flag. Sure, it's a piece of cloth, but we would say not just any old piece of cloth. It's treated with respect because it symbolizes America and all its foundational values. So much so that there's even a precise procedure for folding it. Two things that point to bigger realities. Now, if the bigger reality that a symbol points to happens to be God, then we have a sacred symbol. In Catholic worship, we call that a sacramental. Our Catholic worship, also known as liturgy, is heavy with this kind of symbolism. Why? Because there's so many things in our human experience that speak to us about God. In this second season of Why We Worship, we're going to look at the main parts of the Mass and their symbolism, from the sign of the cross all the way to receiving Holy Communion. That's the adventure that awaits us on Why We Worship.